So this thing fell on top of my MacBook and it basically cracked the screen, the LCD, and the glass panel, so I'll have to replace it. It also left a dent on top of the lid. Glass parts everywhere. Alright, so got some screws here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. And then looks like they're all the same length, so don't have to worry about keeping track of which one's which. And got a nice little magnet there to catch them, so I don't lose them. Put what? Right there. The magnet.
Is that what they're there for?
No, the magnet's there for the lid to close. And then this just pops out like this. Now, the fun part is getting these cables disconnected. And I got a feeling I might have to take the bezel off to get into this cable here, because it's in there pretty good, pretty tight. Not a lot of room to play with. Put this back in here for now. I'm just going to go ahead and remove this bezel. Oh. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. Okay, this thing just slides over. Just have to slide it to the side. And then it should come out. There we go. So the trick is to slide it over to the right and lift it up. And this little piece came off of the end here. It's like a little cap. So there's one on each end. Okay, that's cool. That's where the dent is right here. So I'm gonna attempt to get this dent out. Alright, I want to put all these other screws back in since I don't really need to take them out. But there's the LCD screen. This one's bad because it has it got hit from back here. Inside it's cracked, so I got to replace this whole thing. Plus I got to get a new glass lens to cover the whole assembly. So I'll put this over here for now. Alright, now I'm going to get all these screws back in here. Let's see, this guy goes here. Connect them back up to this. Now, I'm going to go see if I can find something to get this dent out. Okay, I have this little weight here that I used for fixing my wife's car as far as getting dents out of the body. So, what I'm going to do, very gently, try to get this dent out. This little thing here. It's not very big, but it's noticeable from both sides actually. And I'm going to try to at least flatten it. It's not going to be perfect, but that's what we're going to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little piece of chamois here to protect the aluminum, and underneath it I was just thinking about putting a piece of paper, cardboard, or well, actually we'll try it here with this. This should be okay here. So we'll see how this goes. Looks like it's working a little bit. Looks a lot better. Let's see. The dent is not as deep, that's for sure. So let's see, clean this up a little bit here. So this side. All right. A couple more taps here. Alright, so I decided to use this pot here for a flat surface. Try to get the rest of this dent out. And I think it's good. There's a little little dimple in here, but you know what? It's going to be very difficult to get this back to perfection, so I think I'm just going to leave it the way it is. I don't want to overdo it. When I received a new LCD and the glass panel, I just put it all back together, and here are some pictures of what it looks like after it's done.